How to fix your Bumble BFF mode not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to understand is the availability. Bumble BFF may not be available in your country or region. Simply check Bumble's help page to see where it is available. If that is not the case, then you want to simply go ahead and check if you have a pending update on your application. Simply go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Bumble and update it. You might also not have a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also simply restart your router. You could also try closing Bumble completely and reopening the application to refresh it. Or if you're on an Android device, you want to go to your settings, apps, Bumble, and simply go ahead and clear cache. You can also go ahead and switch to date or BFF mode or biz mode, and then simply switch back to BFF mode. If that is not the case, you want to simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, or even contacting support at help.bumble.com.